Hello and Assalamualaikum everybody. My name is Fatima, BusinessWali. I am student of Rehan School Online Academy Level 1 Batch 4, and today I am going to show you one more website. So let's start our video. I am very excited to show you. First of all, I search a link. I am going to share you a Pinterest. Let's do it. First of all, we have to sign up, and I write any name. I like my name, so I select and start exploring. Click, and now it's me. Wow, save and then save to your profile. You can see. First of all, we explore home. Here is I post 2 items, so that's why it's showing 2 items. And then I click on to explore, and then I search logo. Yeah, it's great. You can see its name is logo, so I search logo. When there is so many things, we can search everything. I kindly, if you want to visit, kindly visit and upload a pin. I will tell you how to upload pin, and move on to upload pin. Select to or drag and drop file. It's showing, and I choose this, and then I choose any. I choose birthday card because it's a birthday card, and um, I write a description, and then I select a category. Other. I select other, and click on create pin. Great job. It's come here. Look, it's showing. We save it. It's already saved. Save to your profile, it's showing, and move on to board. You have not created any board yet. So that's why it's showing this. Yeah, my board. Click on to it. Moving on to again. Save pins. I save these pins and my uploads. I upload this now. That's why it's showing this. I look at this other, and save pin is already saved. You already saved this pin. Create one here. Like this, it's showing my board when I click. So now I'm going to log out. This is my Pinterest website. You want to visit, so description in the link in the description, and you can visit from there. And thank you so much. This is my website, Pinterest, and bye bye.